He's a local blacksmith. He said he's going to help me out to change this into Stormbreaker. I'm going to link all of his social media in the description down below. Be sure to check it out. He does some awesome work. All right, Matt, what is the first thing we need to do?
Oh, smart.
This has holes on both sides so you can flip the door over if you need to flop this upside down in case you have overhead power lines instead of coming from down in the ground. So that's kind of cool. And then it has plugs to plug up those holes that you're not using. Okay, there's the whole thing. They have these tabs so you can hang them vertical or you can hang them horizontal, depending on where you're mounting studs or whatever you're mounting it to. As I said before, this can be flipped in case your power's coming up or down. This is a galvanized metal panel. Has a bunch of holes as well as plugs for the holes you don't use. Everything's grounded. There's an extra ground up here in case you flop the door around. There's plugs for everything. I think this is actually legitimately like waterproof. It has a gasket around the bottom. Everything, even the bolts coming through here for the plate are gasketed, or an O-ring. They got a little O-ring on them. So you could probably make this into a boat if you wanted to. It's a pretty tight fit as far as when you close it, it pushes some pretty good pressure up against that gasket on the door, so I don't anticipate that leaking at all. It's certainly adequate for rain. There you go. Thanks VEVOR for sending this to me. Here's the information on the type of panel and everything, and I will also link that in the description. The exact link that they sent me before they sent me this box. It shipped really fast. It was 2 or 3 days or something. It was a lot quicker than I anticipated too, so it took me a lot longer to get the video out. There you go. Last final look. Mount it on the side of a house, stick it on a pole, whatever.